So that's where the residential assisted living is amazing because even at 10% interest rate, my homes will be cash flowing. 10%.
Right.
Remember when it goes to 5%, now it's more money on the bottom line.
Yeah,
So it's a unique opportunity, and you can play the biggest role, Ariel, because your website, and maybe we could even tweak and see put some filters where you could do a button there. Hey, look for these RALs that may be what they want. Yeah.
of course. And yeah, I think this is excellent how you not only have done, say multifamily syndications, but you're always evolving to understand like what works today in today's
Yeah.
market. It's a really great job, Vinny. And I do have a question for you. Say
Yeah.
if you were starting all over, it's 2024.